What's going on, everybody? So today we are at, I'm not telling you, but we are at a location and we are here with Kamari,
Joker,
aka Joker. So let them know why we're here today.
Alright, so we're here because yesterday I was doing a video shoot, and at the end, like during the sunset, I decided I was going to fly my drone to get like a nice shot. So it's an FPV drone. I have all my goggles and everything, and I was shooting with Aga. So I got the shot and I stopped recording, and it was in manual, but it was flying like in the direction towards the sun. And usually, like if I want to change the camera settings or something, I would just leave it in manual, make it go on cruise, and then change the settings. So I took off the goggles. I was saying something to Aga. I was recording with another camera too. That's the mistake. I had too many things going on. So I stopped that camera. I was talking to Aga, and then I look and I see it looked like the drone was going towards the mountain. I was like, that's not where I left it. So I was trying to like fix it back, but I never put the goggles back on. Next thing I know, the drone upside down, plop, into the water. So it lost somewhere right here. Yeah. I'm gonna try to find that now.
Alright, mad thing. So we're gonna use the underwater drone today since we have it. Alright, so we're going to use this underwater drone, you know, since we have it, and search. Do a quick search right here and try to find it. If we locate it, if we get eyes on the drone and locate it, then we'll just quickly go in and recover it from the water. If not, we'll have to just do a general search in this area to find the drone. So let's get started.
Let's go.
This is the controller, and it's pretty easy to set up. Like 1-2 connections. Oh, and thanks to Spearfish in Jamaica for lending me this drone. Big up at themselves. If you watch this. If you may watch this. Alright. So that's it. That's about it.
That's it? Oh
yeah.
Shit. Okay. Things set up quick and fast.
Yeah, easy.
Oh shit, nice. It's the view.
Yeah.
Camera quality crisp though, dog. I saw some of the footage from it already.
Alright.
Is it 4K?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh yeah. So let's say this. We can search on this and go out.
Yeah, we can start from here.
Which direction? Right or left?
Right. So yeah. I would say let's go this direction and then go right for it. Since we're going, if you move to the left, you'll be going against the sun and you're gonna get more glare. Yo, look how the water clear, dog. Tell me when to put it in. It will sink on its own? Yeah, Bomba! Chew! Mew! It's gone.
Record on this.
Oh, you're screen recording?
Yeah, just a backup.
Ah, yeah, that's smart. Look on the fisherman them.
Alright, people. So mission has commenced.
Yeah, let's see
that. Yeah, see?
Oh yeah, yo, that clear.
Yeah. Okay, but if we use the entire
length?
Yeah.
Right.
So now when it's ready, yeah, no man. Yeah.
Yo.
You can see it?
Yeah. It's not far yet, still in a.
Yeah, no.
It's still a going.
Alright.
Some of the wire in the sun.
Alright, let's fix it, man.
Stuck by a stone.
Alright. What we did want to do again?
Yeah.
Good to go?
Yeah, good to go.
Alright. Oh, what a big fish there. now check the settings on this. You see the motor. It's on 75% now. Alright. Not the battery, this is the power of the motor.
Oh,
I think
okay.
75 good. Shit. Come on for this.
So you can press B.
Alright. Alright. Oh shit, we're out of length already? We're out of length already, star. Hopefully this can go far enough, you know?
Yeah.
So when you wheel it or twist it, look.
Yeah, show me.
So, it's like quite not up with this, you're supposed to twist it. So it.
Oh, this side face us and the other side, yeah.
Alright people, so this is going to be harder than we think. Every time I come to do this, I think it'll be easy, but never ever yet easy. But this looks really beautiful and clear. Yo! I think I knocked it up. Oh, you knocked up? Alright. I'll go further so you can.
Yeah. And in the meantime, I think it makes sense if
Oh yeah, go out there with it?
I go out there too, yeah.
Alright.
So we have 2 pairs of eyes.
Yeah. Alright, go on now. Yeah, go on search. Think so? There's some they're good, but let's go that way there.
Yeah, maybe go to the left a little bit and then come back.
Alright.
Like use the length I have now to go to the left.
Yeah.
Blue on blue.
Wait, what it look like?
Oh, you don't know what the drone look like. It's black. It's like a big. Oh, we don't really have any beautiful colors now. It's black and the propellers have a little bit of a red tip. But that's
Alright. Almost can identify a black object.
Alright, I'm going into here.
Yeah, I'm over some reefs now.
Wait, you have the GoPro?
The GoPro, my one?
Yeah, your GoPro.
Oh yeah.
I can bring it to the
I'll
water
put it
with
for
you.
you. Alright, so pause for a bit. Alright, so the search has begun again. So now Kamari is in the water, aka Joker. See him there? Man, I seem like a mermaid. I just follow him. Yeah, man, just follow him and see if. Wait, look, I can find it. No. Oh shit, I'm out. But as I say, yeah man, the drone, having this drone and using it to do search and rescue makes life so much easier. And just to explore the underneath the water, this just make life way much easier. I forgot to buy that drone from a friend. Yeah, I forgot to buy that drone from a friend. Actually, if you send me that drone, I'll give me that drone and I utilize it. Until I start making some money, I just buy it from you. We're there one deeper channel of water now. I got chat through so kind of slowish, so I can see if I can identify anything. I'm gonna take off the glasses just to make sure, say, you know, just to make sure I don't miss nothing at all. Oh, so Kamari again, aka Joker. But now I follow him. I do my own thing. I do my own thing right now and I look. I feel like I out for that day, you know. Me feel like I out for that day, people. Alright people, let's go further out into the abyss again and then go across Alright. Out there, so I have less stone and reef and corals. You know? I should have other side drop, because other side look like it way easier for like go pick it up. One big stone there, so oh, so there's Kamari again, searching in between the trenches, looking like a mermaid. Watch the man. That bad. Now stop the record.
Yeah, so it's 9 o'clock now. We don't find the drone yet. I really thought it'd be much easier than this, you know. But when I look out there and see the diversity, how much rocks and coral.
Yeah.
Like, yo.
And the drone probably blend in with it, you know?
Yeah, well, actually, with the goggles, it's much easier, you know. Like, what you see on the screen.
Yeah.
Is the clarity is way better out there, dog. The visibility is good. Still post your vlog then, even if you don't find it.
Yeah, because it's an effort made.
Yeah.
Alright people, so I am going into the water. It's after 9 now and time is catching up on us. So we have to go even more harder. So I completely, I don't know if the GoPro in the car or I leave it at home, but I don't have it. So we're not gonna have the eyes out there with it. I will not bring my phone. You bring your phone, come on.
Wait, the phone waterproof?
Yeah.
Like, really? Because I thought I was using it one time, you know. But...
yeah, waterproof from iPhone 7 come up on weather seal.
Like 100% waterproof?
Yeah. The only reason I'm gonna bring mine in the water because I buy it refurbished.
Yeah.
I don't know if it is sealed back properly, but if I buy it brand new,
yeah, mine
it's
brand
sealed.
New. You sure, dog?
Yeah.
I just finished pay this off like last month. You know? It's now fully mine.
Yeah, it's fully proof, man. Once you buy it brand new, your phone is fully waterproof.
Alright, let's do it then. So I can even, how do I use it then in the water?
Press the volume button.
Oh, and how do I?
So when you're in the water, say I'll leave it on the camera.
Yeah.
Just I'll leave it rolling.
Oh, alright.
I'll leave it rolling. Yeah. Alright, so I use my phone in the water. And
hopefully it works.
Hopefully best. It's all good, man.
Alright.
You never fix the change the screen or not?
No,
yes,
brand new, brand
yes,
new.
it's sealed same way. Alright.
The visibility way better though. Alright, let's start right here and then go in this direction because I started, remember the drone was flying like somewhere here and I started to go boom, like about that area.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it.
Alright, so Abby is over there.
Hey, you can't put me like that.
Bye. Yeah, the thing look nice out there water.
Yeah.
Better than my GoPro out there water.
Yo, I was like, why? I was thinking, why do I need a GoPro when the iPhone can record?
You can actually buy a waterproof case to it. Just add on to it.
Yeah.
I come with a big round lens.
And then you can go deeper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I come with a big round lens, you know?
Oh, that's sick.
So we have extra water, can wash it out for the reach on this side.
Alright. Come in now.
Alright.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, let's go on the shallow back. Or maybe we'll go up a little bit more and then on the shallow back. Because I don't think I'd come this far when I was out by myself. Oh, by the way, when you're swimming, straighten your legs a little bit more here. Yeah? Keep it like this.
No, I mean, are you just swim it up?
Oh,
this actually tight. So, but you put
the thing, yeah. Alright.
But we're one.
Yeah, come in. Oh. No. But you see the water pretty nice.
Nice, that's super nice every day.
Yeah, the hog. Yeah. Big coral.
Yeah. We was at some jellyfish in the clear.
Yeah, I got a really nice video of this big jellyfish was going. Yeah, guess. Alright, let's go. I want to check the time too. It's 9:31 now. Alright. Oh, not too bad. But people are starting to populate the beach now. Certificate. Oh, there's fish here. You see that? Oh, that's the food in the back? Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, we'll get flag there. Okay, I don't think we're gonna find it actually. Because we look everywhere, basically. Okay. And the visibility is like 20 feet or something. Yeah. We can see in every direction, everything, so I'll go find it. Yeah. We'll go back in now then, yeah? Alright.
Ready? Alright people, so mission wasn't successful because we can't locate the drone even now. We try to use this at first to get eyes, you know, from early to see, try to find it. But it was nowhere to be found in sight. So we said, alright, Kamari go in the water and join this and look, still nothing. So then me go in the water with him and still nothing. We know they're there somewhere, but not where we look, because we didn't have a good visibility. It was nowhere inside, left, right, or center, or down. Yeah.
In between, like I even dived down and looked through the corals and everything and couldn't find it.
Yeah. So it's either you halfway at the wrong place or it go further out than where we look.
But like we covered a wide area now. You see, like where the water bend right there, where the sun bend. Yeah. We went that far now. So from all the way right there, so all the way back to where Abby was, we searched. Yeah, tide must bring it out.
Yeah, sadly. Anyways, people, let me know in the comments what you think about the video. If you enjoy the view, if you think we never look good enough, next time how it's supposed to look, you know.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out. Oh,
Oh yeah.
Check out my channel. So I'm Joker Productions. I actually do videos with women, beautiful women with the cinematic videos. And yeah, so I was shooting a video with Aga. Him can show some clips of that. And can check out my channel. But don't forget to subscribe to Vogue Pixel. Don't forget to subscribe to Magnet Fishing. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.